Hey guys, so welcome to the EdTech Lab. Today I will just talk about the photodiode. Photodiode is an optical electronic component which always operates in a reverse bias and it generates the electrical current now when light just incident on it. So this is the symbol for the photodiode. Now in this case you can see the P side of the photodiode is just connect to the negative terminal of the battery and N side of the photodiode is just connect to the positive terminal of the battery. The majority charge carrier inside the P side you can see the positive ion particles and in the case N side the negative ion particles and minority charge carrier inside P you can see the negative ion particles and in case N side the positive ion particles. So the majority charge carrier in both cases just attract by the negative and positive terminal of the battery. So only the small number of the minority charge carrier just crossing the diffuser region due to the repulsion. So the negative ion particles inside the P side just repel by the negative terminal of the battery and positive ion particle in N side just repel by the positive terminal of the battery. So this ion particle just cross this diffuser region. So the movement of these ion particles when no light just incident on it that generate the electrical current. So that current is called the dark current. And the amount of this dark current is very small and just measured with the help of this microperimeter. So now when light just incident on the photodiode, then near the junction large number of the covalent bond break and it generates the hole and electron pair. The hole just move towards the P side and electron just move towards the N side. So due to the electric field just appear at the diffuser region. So the moment of this ion particle just increase the amount of the electrical current inside the circuit. So the first red curve you can see and just indicate that the amount of the electrical current increase than previous case. So I1 and I2 and I3 just represent the intensity. So now when just continue increase the intensity of the light, then amount of the electrical current inside the circuit is increased. But after some time, the electrical current is saturated. It means the electrical current inside this circuit is constant. So that current is called the saturated current. So with increasing the intensity of the light, then you can see the electrical current is also increased. But how can it increase the intensity of the light? I will just increase the intensity of light with increasing the power of the source, or second by decreasing the distance between the photodiode and electric source. So let's see the activity. So this is our overall equipment. You can see, so first component our photodiode and second component is our source, and you can see other component. Now when no light just incident on it, then small electrical current just flow inside this photodiode. That current is called the dark current and it just measured with the help of microperimeter. So now when light just incident on photodiode, then large number of the covalent bond inside this photodiode is break and amount of the electrical current inside this photodiode increase. You can see the electrical current inside this microperimeter is increased. Now I want to just increase the electrical current inside this circuit. So I will just increase the electrical current inside this circuit with increasing the intensity. I will just increase the intensity by replacing the source with higher power, or second by decreasing the distance between the source and photodiode. But I am using only one single power bulb here, so it means the power of the source is constant. So I will just decrease the distance between the source and photodiode. So with the help also I will just increase the intensity of the light. So then you can see now when the distance between the photodiode and source decrease, then amount of the electrical current inside the circuit is increased. Because the large and large covalent bond break inside this photodiode and large amount of the electrical current just flow inside. So thanks for watching. So please like and subscribe if you want to see more and more activities related to the physics.